write your first automation test without coding, we are using Playwright and Java and Playwright MCP, AI Copilot to do the automation testing without any coding. So in our last video, we have done the setup of Playwright MCP with Copilot in Eclipse, and all the steps were completed. In this video, we will learn how to write your first automation test without coding using Playwright, Java, and GitHub Copilot. So you will be writing the test case in English, and AI Copilot will automate the test case with the help of Playwright MCP. So in the previous video, if you are getting any kind of issues, if you open Eclipse here and if you find any issue like this one, failed to initialize MCP server Microsoft MCP or anything, so you need to install the Node.js first and then run the command to install the Playwright manually to fix all the issues. So if you are having any problems in the setup, maybe Node.js is not installed in your system, so just open the CMD here and write down node version, or you can write node-v, and it will show you this v24 point something or according to your machine. But if it is showing that not available or something, you need to install it. So go to this link, which I will paste in the comment description as well. Download the Node.js and install it, and then recheck it here. So it should show version like this. And after that, run this command in CMD npx playwright mcp latest. So it will install the latest MCP server and it will fix all the issues. And once you are done, then restart the Eclipse, and this is the Copilot as I explained in the previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, go to the previous video and do the setup of Playwright MCP and GitHub Copilot in Eclipse so we can start doing the automation without code. So after every setup, you will see it is showing the agent and it is showing all the models which are free to use for 30 days. And in here, when you click on configure tools, it will show you the configuration of Playwright like this. This is also explained in my previous video, and the code here is also added to my previous video description, so you can copy and set up this. So let's start the next video. I am assuming that everything is now set up at your end, and we will start writing our first automation test without coding. So in this video, you will learn your first video. You will create your first Playwright test using GitHub Copilot to write the code, and we will not automate the Google search because I have created a practice web application for you. So this is my website. I have added one page which is called QA practice. So this is for your practice. You can do manual testing practice, automation testing practice, and everything on this page related to QA practice. So like this is the UI bug. I have explained the manual QA testing as well in the previous course. So watch that and you can practice QA here. So in this video, what we will automate is we will write a script which should go to the sign up form, which should enter the name, enter the email, enter the password, re-enter the password, and click on sign up button, and it should successfully sign up and show the alert box for the sign up. So we will automate this test case without writing a single line of code. So let's get started. Why this matters? Because automation is highly in demand right now. Coding is barrier for the beginners, so AI removes that barrier. You can use the Copilot and then start writing the automated test cases without code. So in Eclipse, go to your projects. I haven't created anything here for you, so you will see same like this. Make sure that Copilot is up and set up and you have all this. Now click on create a Maven project, and I will create a simple project without archetype selection. So once I click it, it will ask me to write this down manually. I will write QA engineer. You can write down any name of your project or anything here. So once you finish, it will create a project. So for me, it is not taking time because Maven is already installed. So for you, it might take 1 minute or 2 minutes to download the Maven repository, and then it will install. Now you see it created the project with all these files. Now what I will have to do is I will have to write the detailed test case in English and give it to the Copilot here, and it will write all the code, it will connect everything, and it will do everything for me. In our next videos, upcoming videos, we will learn the project in detail, what is Playwright MCP doing, how to write the better prompt, how to write the test cases, and etc. But this video is for you to write your first test case, automate your first test case using the AI Copilot without any single line of code. So go here, and I have created this document for me. This is the prompt. So prompt engineering is very important. I will explain this later. So I have written this prompt for me. There is nothing very difficult in this prompt. This is the step. These are the steps of the test case which I have explained. So if I go back to my practice website, you see this is a sign up form. So this test case is all about testing this sign up form. Go to sign up form, enter the name, enter email, enter password, enter confirm the password, and click on sign up. So what we will do is we will automate it. Now in this test case, you see I have written the create complete executable Playwright Java test script using JUnit 5. You can skip this as well for sign up validation. And this is also for some of the constraints. I will explain that later. You can write it or you can skip it, no matter. So these are the steps. Launch the Chromium browser, navigate to this URL, and locate the sign up form on the page having ID sign up form. So every element on the page have an ID or CSS selector or different things. We can learn that later. So for example, if I go to this and if I go to name, you see this is the input field name, and it should have ID sign up name. So I will access this input field by this ID, and then I will access the next input field password with this ID sign up password. So that's how we are accessing the ID. So in our test case, we have to mention that how to access this ID. So I said locate the sign up form on the page having sign up form ID and enter the name. In the sign up form, we have input field full name, email password, confirm password, and it will add everything. Now locate the full name having ID sign up name and fill it with Vikas, and then enter the name Vikas at email.com, then enter this password, confirm this password, and click on the submit button. So that is the prompt. I will just copy it. Do not worry about all these things at the start and end. I will explain these later. These are related to automation test cases. So now I will open the Eclipse. I will paste this exact prompt here. You can write your own prompt as well. I will give it to you. So just hit enter and see that what Copilot will do. Now Copilot will set up this project for us. It will create the Java class and it will create the pom.xml. You see it created the pom.xml and it is creating updating the pom.xml to install all the libraries like dependencies and whatever we need. Previously, in a few years back, we were doing this all manually and it was taking hours to just set up the project. But now you see it is writing the code itself. This code is now written by Copilot. You see it is showing me everything here. So in 1 minute, the test case is automated. You see now we can keep this. Now if I show you, this is the class and everything it wrote, it write down everything. These are the step case, it automated. So I haven't written anything, as you can see on the screen. So now there is an issue in the pom.xml. Let's see what is the issue. So it is the project. So let's not write any code. Let me ask it. There is an issue in pom.xml. Can you fix it? I will tell it to fix it and I will hit enter. Now it will find the issue and it will fix the issue for me as well. So you see it is trying to find out what could be the issue and it is fixing itself. So no need to do anything for me. Now it is fixed. It said that the declaration is required for a proper XML file. So now it says it is fixed. Now let's try to run this if it is fixed already. And it is still saying something like cannot find declaration of element project, but let's try to run the project. So if I go to source test and Java, and this is the class which we need to run, and okay, if I run it from here, let's see what it will do. Okay, it is not running this. We have to run this class sign up form. Now I will run this. As soon as I run it, let's see what it will do. For you, it might take a few minutes to install the Playwright browsers to initialize that browsers. So let's see what it will do. It is starting and in a few seconds it should initialize the browser, and it should do all these steps one by one, which we should be able to view. You see, it opens the browser, it navigates to this page. Now it will go to sign up page. You see, it is entering the name, email, password, re-entering the email, and then it clicked on the alert box, which was not visible for us. So it is saying some kind of failure here. So now what we will tell it is we have to see the browser. The test was executed, but the browser was closed very fast. Can you please add a wait after clicking on submit button for 5 seconds so we can see what happened? We will tell it in English. I haven't written any single line of code, you see. So what it will add the wait now, it will do all the code here without needing me. So now what I will do, I will run it again. Just it updated it instantly. Now I will run it again, and now let's see what happens again. It should open the browser, and then it should navigate to the practice page. It should enter the name, etc. You see, it is entering the name, email, password, and clicking on sign up. Now here it shows a failure. Here it says something is failing. So here it is failing because all the details it will add here that why it is failing. So expected sign up successful, but sign up successful, did you check edge cases? So problem is that in the alert the success message is not there. So the test case is failed because success message not matched. So if we change this, for example, text, it will pass. Now play with it and try to maximize the browser before starting entering anything. So play with it and let me know if you find any difficulty in the comment. So this was your first test case which you have automated in Playwright, MCP, and GitHub Copilot using, and it will be very easy for you to understand the next steps. In our next videos we will learn everything in detail. For example, what we will do is we will build real world automation, we will improve the test structure, we will learn advanced Playwright. So this was just for telling you that you can do the automation testing without a single line of code. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and I will teach you how you can be an AI automation test engineer in 2026.